History Facts. Did you know?
Did you know this is a story of a man who became a star? In the early days of the Bukidnon people, when farmers depended on nature and the stars to know when to plant, there lived a good hunter named Magbangal. Magbangal was strong and skilled hunter. As the planting season neared, he decided to clear a hill for their crops. Early the next morning, his wife prepared food, but Magbangal refused to eat, saying he would return later in the day. He gathered his 10 bolos and hatchets, a sharpening stone, and a bamboo tube filled with water and made his way to the hill. When he arrived, he sat on the wooden bench beside the tree. Then he ordered his tools to sharpen themselves and they obeyed. He commanded the bolos to cut the small brush and hatchets to bring down the great trees. The tools moved on their own while Magbangal watched as the forest quickly cleared. Back at home, his wife heard the endless crashing of falling trees. Curious and worried, she hurried to the hill. Hiding behind a tree, she saw her husband asleep in the bench while the ballas and hatchets worked by themselves. She was astonished at his secret power. His magic has been disturbed, and the power that controlled his tools turns against him. Cutting off one of his arms, suddenly Magbangal awoke. He saw his wife watching. He knew that his secret has been revealed. Knowing he could no longer remain, Magbangal decided that he would rise to the sky to give the sign for planting season. Soon after, Magbangal became a constellation, and to this day, when the people of Bukidnon see his stars appear in the night sky, they know it is time to plant their rice.